Here we are at Clayton Off-Road. Today we're going to go through a couple of the key features and benefits of our 6.5-inch XJ Pro Series long arm kit. This one has a 3-link front and standard leaf spring rear. Our XJ 6.5-inch kit is recommended to run a 33 1250 tire, a CV style drive shaft with a slip yoke eliminator kit is necessary. The kit comes with 6.5-inch full leaf packs, new U-bolts, degree shims, and a stainless steel brake line. Bilstein 5100 series shocks are optional, and the Bilsteins are recommended with this kit. Here's another view of the rear. The rear's installation is pretty simple. Remove the OEM leaf spring, install the new leaf spring with the new U-bolts and degree shim, stainless steel brake line in the OEM location, and in this case we use the Bilstein 5100 series shocks, once again in the OEM location. Next we're going to show you the front, which is our long arm 3-link kit. This kit has our ProSeries arms, which means it has Johnny joints at both ends, and this is the 3-link kit. So instead of a radius arm design, one upper arm is used on the driver's side with the 3-link bridge. Our XJ long arm kit features this 3-piece cross member. It bolts into the OEM location, and then it does need to be welded in for maximum strength. Picks up the OEM transmission mount. They're hidden in those 4 access holes. With this kit being a 3-link, you get the additional brace and 3-link bracket, which is tucked above the standard cross member mount. The 3-link kit does come with ProSeries arms with Johnny joints at both ends, and then therefore we highly recommend the heavy-duty lower control arm brackets. Here's a closer up view of the ProSeries arm with the 1/4-inch heavy-duty lower brackets. Features a skid plate on the front so that Johnny joint cannot get smashed. Because this is a 3-link, the upper passenger side mount is missing. It's not required. You can remove it if you want. It's not in the way. You can leave it if you don't want it. And then this is the 3-link bridge. It welds over the center section, both to the driver's side tube and the passenger side tube, and then also it welds into the original OEM mount. The 3-link bridge does come with the 1/4-inch mount already welded to it, which uses a 2.5-inch forged Johnny joint with a 1-inch shank. Once again, ProSeries arm with a Johnny joint at both ends for maximum adjustability. The front end uses our 6.5-inch coils, JKS sway bar disconnects. This has our track bar drop bracket and drop pitman arm. The drop bracket is 1/4-inch. It bolts into the OEM location. We do recommend a couple stitch welds, which just add to the strength. Track bar uses a 2.5-inch forged Johnny joint with a 1-inch shank. And on the axle end, this being the ProSeries kit, comes with the HD bushing, which requires you to drill out the OEM location to 9/16. You get a 9/16 bolt and a flanged washer tab that goes back into the OEM location.